Louise. 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 Oh, hi. Look at that. That's all you have to do. You just have to come in and go, Louise.
No, you don't. I'll run.
Okay, what are we getting? Look at my cart. It's empty.
Okay, so what was the size of your lawn? Size that we just based on.
20-something. 100. 2,400?
2,700. You're close.
27?
Well done.
2,700, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And now we wanted fertilizer and grass seed, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And someone to do it all.
No.
Hi, Doug. How are you? Oh, Jesus, Mary toast. So, I am in my finest wear right now. I'm in my my fancy getup. Louise, actually, I don't think has ever seen me dressed like this. Have you, Louise?
No. I thought you were always perfect.
Yeah, no, fun fact, I'm not. And just like my lawn, there was a nice segue. Louise came to my house today because I am trying to have a better lawn. Louise works at Chemong Home Hardware Building Center. She's like a horticulturalist. That's such a mouthful. And you're going to help me. Here's the thing. She's asking me questions. We're walking around. I think, this is my first summer with this house. Okay, so this is my first summer. I do not like lawn work. Okay, I don't like it. I don't find it nice or enjoyable. I like a nice lawn.
You want the nice one?
I do, but I don't want anything with maintenance because I know I won't be able to keep it up. Just to give you an idea of who I am as a person, I buy potted plants.
Okay.
Because that's who I am.
Okay.
I give you an example. My middle guy came out and he was helping me rake up whatever the heck this is that we're going to talk about in a sec. And we're perfectionists, right? So he's like, I feel like I'm not even making a difference. Do you know? Whereas if it's already done and started and it's clean and great to start with, then you're like, oh, I can totally do this. But I don't even know where to start, Louise.
Okay, it's easy. It actually is quite simple. You just need a list. Just
okay.
Go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Fertilizer. Okay.
How do I know which one to buy?
Okay. I'll always show you the Canadian brand.
I like that about you, Louise.
Okay.
Here's how. Okay.
CIL is Canadian brand. Okay. Iron Plus, you see Mark Cullen on it. So this is advertised on television all the time.
Okay.
Okay. So there's 2 ways you can go with this. You can buy straight fertilizer and then buy grass seed separately. Okay. By doing that bag covers 4,300 square feet. So that'll do your lawn twice.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So do your lawn twice.
$20?
Yep.
Oh, hell. Okay.
Okay, actually it's on sale right now. $15.97.
Well, hell of a son of a gun.
It goes off tomorrow.
Oh, geez. By the time you air this, sale's over.
Yeah, sorry about that, unless you come to Okay, so what you want to do is that you can do 2 fertilizers with that one. Okay. So that you do that, and then you buy separate grass seed.
But isn't it like buying paint and primer? Like I could just get 2 in 1? So I don't have to buy 2 different things?
Yes, I can do that. But, okay, doesn't cover as much, and it's more expensive. 3 numbers on the bag. Ready? And you'll never forget it.
Okay.
Ready? And I don't do this for many people.
Okay.
Okay, because I used to train this.
Okay.
First number is up growth, so green, lots of growth. Second number is down growth and big blooms. Okay, so you get good roots and big blooms.
Okay.
And big tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay? See my hands in the melon?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. Keep giving it to me.
The last number is all around strength. Okay, so it's not like steroids, right?
Okay.
So you just have to remember up, down, all around.
Up,
I got a really easy way to do it. Ready? There's a dance.
Oh, good. I love
Up,
this.
down, all around.
Oh, wow. Let's do that together. Ready?
Oh, we're going to do the dance together. Ready? Up,
down,
all around.
Wait, I did it wrong.
Up, down, all around. There you go.
Did we nail it?
So before you do anything, just mow it.
Okay.
And then what we can do is we'll get a fertilizer down and a grass seed down. It's that simple.
Do I need topsoil?
No. No.
I don't.
Well, you can if you want to do that much work. Do you really want to do that much work?
No.
I don't want to do it
the less work that I have to do, the better.
No. Topsoil you'd only put in is if you have bare spots. And they're... So let's say you remove these.
Yeah.
Patio stones.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
That's work.
But that's where you'd have to put... Yeah, exactly. Like, see this hole? Yes.
fill it up. But you see it's down further, right? So to make it flat, I would put, hello.
Dexter's like, what's happening? You got
What are
something
you
in there?
doing? Hi, baby.
Can you teach him to not poop on the grass? Too?
No, look, if I could do that, I'd do it with my teeth.
Oh. Okay. This is me getting footage to show Louise that I'm working. I have my mom to help me. That's how that works. There she is. Look at, there's a butt shot. Ma, you look great. Are we having fun yet?
Yeah, no, it's great. So something like that, yes, put soil in because you see how it's dipped down?
Yeah.
So just so that when you mow it, you're not going clunk,
Okay.
right? So that one you would. Here you want to do the same, especially with the stones, because as you mow over this, you don't want to catch the edge of it with your lawnmower,
Okay.
because then what you're going to do is it's going to go.
Yeah, I know, it kills your blade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done that once or twice in my life. I've run over a rock or two.
Yeah. I've run out big enough ones that it stops the whole mower.
You're like,
Ooh, not good.
Yeah.
What do you want to do in here? Here's my next question is, I'd mulch around here because it'll look all nice. Okay, are you keeping this truck? Oh, that's so cool.
Isn't it? I know, it's Yoda's forest.
Oh, that is like, oh, I love that one of those.
Yeah. Well, you could come. Hey,
Can
I'll
I
make
come
you a deal.
play?
You come live here. You can stay there,
This is where I'm
and you
living.
can work on my yard. I think that is a completely
perfect.
fair situation.
Just quickly rototill it, then
I
just
like how she's like, in your spare time, just quickly get a rototiller and rototill it. Louise, I want you to come spend a day with me, and then you will understand. Like, I don't care about any of this. Like, I don't have time to do this, and I don't wanna.
the easiest thing then is to rake it up, get Roundup, spray all the weeds down, and put down landscape fabric and cover it with mulch. That's the easiest thing you can do. From here over there, down this side. Ooh. Again, they just put the deck on, didn't they?
I don't know.
Same with this side, but just rake it. They've got grass growing there, so just rake it up. That, you could probably put grass seed down and be fine. Okay, the soil's not that bad in there.
You see my face?
It's right. Yeah.
You see my face right now? My face is like, it's no big deal. It's no big deal, says Louise. Okay, so we're gonna come over to Chemong Home Hardware
Yep.
Building Center, and we're gonna go shopping with you, and you're gonna show me which products and supplies I need.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna move in to
For
the
a
tree
week,
house.
yeah, okay.
Okay,
Yep.
does that sound good?
Yeah, so you'll need to buy a little cooler.
Okay, what's the drink of preference there?
A beer.
Done.
There we go. What's up? I said pencil width?
So just a minute here, I just want to see, like, so I'm just walking down my lawn like this
Yep.
with my high heels on, like.
No, not your high heels on, Michelle. Because that's not fast enough.
Oh.
So when you do it, you need...
So this is, I didn't know you had to, I didn't know any of this. So you have to squeeze this, this is how you change this,
Yep.
and you want this as wide as a pencil. You got a
Right.
pencil?
10 pencil.
Okay.
Okay?
So why do they have different things if that's how big you need it?
Because if you put grass seed in like that, you'll do one pass with grass seed and it'll be gone. Because grass seed's little.
So fertilizer is a pencil.
Yeah.
Grass seed is,
Half a pencil. So just go half of
so
what
why
you
do they give us all these other options?
Because it depends, you might be putting soil down, you might be putting salt down, you might be putting ice melter down.
Oh,
Might be a bigger prill, might be a smaller prill. Okay?
yeah.
So, in your cart.
This is way less fun than buying shoes.
Yeah. This covers 3,200 square feet. With fertilizer, never put down more. The only time more is better is beer or wine for you.
Okay, so you
More
can,
is-
fertilizer will burn your lawn.
Yes,
Grass seed you can over.
you can go over if you want. I
Okay.
wouldn't. This covers 3,200 square feet. Do your whole lawn. Okay?
Okay.
At the 3 I told you about. And if there's any bare spots, just take a little bit and sprinkle it. Never sprinkle your fertilizer. Just sprinkle your grass seed. Just like that.
Up,
Down.
down,
All around.
all around. I'm gonna make my kids do this.
No, she won't be hurt.
I've made an executive decision as a parent.
Okay. Marcello actually will do very well. with it.
Surprise!